Hi everyone, Callum here from REM. Welcome to another episode of REM Market Buzz. Today I'm your host, and guess what? Um, so many things happening, guys. US government is taking its next level to make sure that the crypto space is stable. They are investing highly in crypto assets, and you can see that. There have been partnerships with crypto.com, which is really good news. And you know what, guys? I'm really happy to be a part of it. I remember in 2018, 19, I achieved this crypto card, and still remember, it is exciting, guys, to know. This is the old days, and when I had this card, still remember, right? And you can get this card like this, and then open it up, and there you go, voila, right? It was so exciting those days, and you can use your crypto assets to actually purchase a real life thing, right? So those days it was a bit hard to get Bitcoin as well, and you need to go, and certain platform exchanges would only give you certain tokens and coins. So it was a bit of a time, but to have a crypto card, to come to that stage and to see that sort of a project expanding to a next level, which is really good as well. Now, given that information, I would go to the Crow chart as well, the crypto.com chart as well later on. And you know what, guys, it's an exciting time to be in crypto space. To make sure that you are invested in certain things. So, it started in a small project and built up to a certain level. I still remember they had different cards, and they still do, but then they had this different aspect as well to attract the clients. But now look where they are, and that's what it is. You invest in a solid project, and you get a solid income stream and solid potential of growth as well, guys. REM stands for the same thing as well. Real estate metaverse. REM. We got we got the token here as well. Now REM basically stands for real estate tokenization via security tokens, and the security tokens would highlight a specific deed that we're talking about. Fractional rent vesting, which is one of our key features that we got. Have a look at our white paper, guys. It is really important. You can go to www dot over here, right? remmeta.ai. We have AI features. We have the metaverse features coming up as well, which is an exciting moment. You can actually analyze the strategies to get your property information, and then you would know the exact suburb or the town that you're going to invest, why you're going to invest. Take an intelligent judgment in your investment. So this is where we're looking at, and to have that digital identity, the transparency, and of course the security that blockchain brings to the atmosphere is amazing. And to see that US government is recognizing this, it's an exciting time, because when US does something, the Western world would do the same as well. We know Russia and China would come up as well, and all the world, we will be united in blockchain technology. This was the vision when we were starting in 2016, 17, 18, as the progress from Bitcoin to smart contracts with Ethereum to another level, which we are in now. So this is another generation, guys. I can say like the fifth generation or something. But you know what? We are there in blockchain technology, in Web3 solutions to make sure those things happen. All right. Given that information, let's go to our charts today. Let's see where we are today. I want to share my screen with you. Oh, look at this. This is the market again, guys. Look at this side over here, the last 7 days. If you just browse through, you can see a solid movement around this area, which is amazing. This is what we want. Ethereum's hovering around that area as well, going up and down, but look, very stable. And XRP and every other coin as well, doing really well. With that, let's get the Bitcoin USDT chart. Okay, this is for 2-hourly Bitcoin USDT chart. Let me refresh that again to get proper information to you. There you go. And you can see the solid chart going on here. These lines, if I would just put a line here, look at this. From here, this line, and then we'd get another line, which is around here, creating up here with this doji here. And you got the huge tail. Brilliant news, guys. Let's get the middle of it, like here. Look at this area. This is the area, oh, sorry. This is the area we're talking about, right? Look at this area. And if we go back to, say, 4-hour chart, you can see a solid movement. This is what I was talking about. Let's go back again. I always try to drag you back to where we are. Look at this. Let's make another highlight here. When you go to your daily charts of Bitcoin USDT, you can see this, exactly what I'm talking about. Let's pin it. Okay, so let's go to another one. Look at this area right over here, the region. Right, this area over here. Look at that. Right, so we are inside this area. This is what I was talking about previously, right? We're inside this area, so we have no worries. That's really good. I really like that, guys. Let me take that off. Let's take this off. But you understand that we are in a market that is stabilizing, which is okay. All right. Let's go to the Ethereum USDT chart. So let's ETH USD. Let's go that one. Good, guys. Look at this stability. Focused on the stability right over here, which is amazing. All right. Over here to here, you can see some stability happening, right? This is great news, guys. Let's go to the 2-hour chart. So you can see exactly way in the right on the last 24 hours, it was just fluctuating from up to bottom down and up again and so forth, which is really good. This is what we want to see. Okay, today's highlight. I was talking about the crypto.com or the CRO. Let's go to crypto.com. So all I have to do is say CRO USDT. Let's go Coinbase. Probably here. Wow, look at this, guys. If you are holding this in this crypto asset, this is what you get. Look at this. For the last 24 hours, it has peaked up with the news. And this is brilliant news, guys. So crypto.com, congratulations to whoever held crypto.com or held that card, which I showed you before, and used their services. I use their services and personally, and this is really good news. And you know what, guys, going back to, say, daily charts. Wow, look at this, guys. So exciting. Look at this improvement. Let's take a measurement actually here from here. From here to here. That is a 300% gain, guys, from July last year. That's a 300%. Excuse me. That's a 300% gain, guys. Extraordinary. Extraordinary. Let's go back again to a weekly chart. Get you back a little bit more. Look at this. Since 2025 started, we had that sort of a run, which came back, and we've gone back again, doubling up. Amazing. Amazing news, guys. This is very good. Excuse me. Well, I need probably some water. Look at this, guys. This is the Bitcoin dominance chart. I want to refresh this chart. Okay. Now, this is the 2-hourly chart of Bitcoin dominance. You can see there's stability as well. Brilliant. Exactly where we want Bitcoin to be. This is showing us very good signs, guys, till now. But remember, guys, this is what I want to show you. Actually, going back here, let's go back to the okay, let's do a Bitcoin BTC USD chart in Binance or even Coinbase. Let's get Coinbase. Look at this, guys. I want to show you something, which is, you remember we've started up here in October. in 2024, we went up like this, we came down for correction. I predict that there can be a correction here, guys, and be careful. I would say if you want to actually cash out something and DCA, not everything, dollar cost average cashing out is basically recommended up here because next month it can go down a little bit. Just a consolidation phase. If it goes down a little bit, you guys need to be there to actually capture that. Look at this, since 2014 has gone down. So little small drag downs up here. We can work out here, probably going down a little bit up here. And this is what we can look into the next month or month and a half. So if that happens, that market correction is very important as well for us to go up like this. Market correction, go up, market correction, go up, market correction, go up, and a little bit of correction here. So we are looking at another candle up here, probably candle or two, and then go up. This sort of a thing can be actually, prophesized. What can we say? It may not happen, it may happen, but guys, be cautious. Make sure you DCA sell and get some USDT out there, and then you can always buy out up here. So just keeping that on in your radar. And then we go to the Ethereum USDT chart. Let's refresh this chart again. Look at this, guy. This is the monthly chart going up. Beautiful. This is what we want from Ethereum. And go back here. Go to the 2-hour chart. Let's check that out. Stable. Brilliant. This is exactly what we want. Now, going back to REM, guys. Look at this. Yay. This is exactly what I told you guys. Look at the 4-hour chart of REM. Stable. But this time over here, I will magnify this. Look at this, guys. It has gone up with a huge candle. And whoever bought up here REM, congratulations, guys, because you are doubled up your amounts up here. Look at this. Let me go back to, say, 1-hour chart. Bang. Up here. Brilliant news. A great update here, which is exactly what we want. This is exactly where we are. If you bought up here when I told you, guys, make sure it may go up, right up here. You're not even too late now, guys. A lot of utilities happening. You buy some REM. That is a stable format of taking REM to the next level. REM, remember, even if you buy up here, I mean, this would be brilliant, but you know what? You bought up here, don't sell, because you know what? Altcoin season's coming. And you know what? When altcoin season comes, let's go to the daily chart. Bang! 90 cents, guys. This is what happened in the past. And this happened in when? This happened with not even a year ago. So you know what, guys? This happened in 15th of 4th, 2025. So that was in April. Guys, it's a great time to be in REM. And this is not a financial advice, guys, but I'm just saying what I see in the chart. What I saw in the chart is a huge capitulation here. People selling out. Great opportunity to buy up here. Here you go. Great opportunity to stabilizing up here now. Guys, this is the moment of REM. So you know what? REM project, you see what you get. You see us. I'm coming here every day talking to you as the CEO of REM. My name's Callum. I'm right up here talking to you, giving you information, not just about REM. Of course, REM, I would love for you to get REM, but also to educate you to go in the right path in crypto space and make sure you would not lose, and you make sure you would not get into the trap that you would never sell. Never sell. I would hold on to my assets and sort of a thing. And then in the bear market, you would be kicking yourself and saying, why didn't I sell my assets? At least a fraction of it. When you gain like, 300, 400, 500% gains, why, guys? Why don't you just think of, DCA sales sort of a thing? Why don't you think of buying something like REM, which actually reflects with real world assets? Real world asset is the next thing. US government is actually making rules so we know exactly what we're tackling. This is not fraud. This is not some sort of a game that, scam or anything. Do you think US government would endorse a scam? Do you think any government would endorse a scam? In Australia, there are legal laws, taxation laws that governs sort of income that comes from crypto space. Exactly what we're talking about. This is a legal process, guys. There are a lot of companies, a lot of hedge funds actually working on getting into crypto space. And that's what we're looking at, guys. It's all a legal process. There's no hidden agendas. This is what we talk about. Exchanges monitoring every time tokens and coins, what's going on, keeping the actual value projects that you can see in MEXC. They actually going through certain audit results, which is really good. I think that's very healthy. And as a CEO, as I always mention, don't panic, guys. This is our normal processes they do. And they need to highlight to their community saying, hey, guys, these guys are going through an audit. These guys are going through certain steps. And that doesn't mean we're going to delist them. That is a possibility, but that's not going to happen. So this is what I'm going to say. We are working with MEXC as we speak, and they're working really well with us. And that's what it is. I really love that exchange. Now, you guys are asking, why don't you have a few exchanges? We don't have few exchanges because we chose one of the best exchanges, and we stick onto it. You can go to MEXC and purchase your tokens. It's very easy. It's ABC. You go there, REM token is there. Go to our Twitter channel. Check that out. Go to our YouTube channel. Check that out. Take the information that we got. Go to our Telegram channel. It's all in our website as well. www.remmeta.ai. We got Propertyverse website, guys, which sells properties, tokenized properties. You can purchase via your cryptos as well. A fraction of a Bitcoin, you can get a property. These sort of things are available there still. So given this information, I just want to wish you all the best if you're invested in cryptos. If you bought when I told you REM, congratulations, guys, because this is not a financial advice. This is just someone talking about the project, the market, and the segment of crypto movement. Now, we talked about these things. If you actually action, that's where the magic happens. And if you actually did your part of it, congratulations, guys. If you held your cryptos all this time, congratulations, because that's what matters. When it's low, you buy. When it's high, you sell, and you make some profit out of it. Given that information, you know what? I wish you all the best in your future endeavors. And once again, Callum, over and out. Thank you.